Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are back with another quick video today. So I just took my 2021 4Runner to the dealership to get an oil change, and they turned around and told me I needed a new cabin air filter. I don't remember how much they were trying to charge me, but it was at least 80, 90, $100 for a new cabin air filter. So this is going to be a quick, easy video to show you guys how to save at least 60, 70 bucks by doing it yourself. And this is honestly one of the easiest things you can do to your car. So first thing I did was go to Amazon.com, type in 2021 4Runner cabin air filter. This thing popped up with a whole bunch of good reviews, so I went ahead and bought it. So I bought a 2-pack, and it costs 15 bucks. I think you can get a 1-pack for like 9 or 10 bucks, so I just figured getting a 2-pack for 15 bucks was going to be the better deal for us. Okay, so that's step one. So I ordered this, came in the mail. Step two is knowing where the cabin air filter is in your vehicle. Now, I don't know what car you have, but for the 4Runner, it's going to be in your glove box. So my wife drives, this is my wife's car, so let's see what she's got in here, man. First step is you got to clean all this out. She's got wires in here. I don't know what that is. We have a couple of straws. We have some expired medicine, receipts, the manual. Let's just take all this out. Oh, we got a kitchen knife in here. Be careful. Who knows what your wife has, but mine has a kitchen knife in there. And then you'll see in here, there's like a little door with 2 clips on it. So you just push down on the clips and the door, look, I'm doing this with one hand. This is how easy it is. The little door comes off. These are the 2 clips. You just push them down and it slides right off. Take that off, put it to the side. And then you reach in here and then there's another 2 clips. So my one hand isn't big enough to push the 2 clips at the same time. So you will need to use both hands here. So just go in there, push down on the 2 clips like so, and this comes right out. Just push down on these 2 clips, comes right out. And now you have access to your cabin air filter. Okay, guys, so if you look in there, you can see your cabin air filter is right there, and it says airflow with an arrow pointing down. So make sure when you grab that filter and you pull it out, that you pull it out the same way it's in there. That way you know how to put the next filter in. So in this case, airflow face down. So the new filter we put in, the arrow should also be facing down. So as you can see, we have some leaves, some dirt, a whole bunch of dog hairs because we have dog hair. So this was pretty dirty. So let's open up the new air filter and let's try to put it in there. But before that, in case your old air filter doesn't have an arrow, and you're confused, you don't know how the new one goes in, you can just do a real quick, simple test to know which way the air is flowing inside that little blower motor or whatever that is in there. So all you do is you go ahead and turn your car on, make sure your AC is on, and then you just grab like a piece of paper and you very slowly stick it in there and just see which way it goes. So you can see the air is blowing the paper down. So now you know that the airflow is down. So your next cabin air filter, the arrow should be pointing down. All right, so here we go. Let's open up this new package. We got 2 in there, and already you can see airflow down. So we did our test. Our last, luckily our last air filter was installed correctly. So you just take this out of the package here, airflow down, and then you just stick it right back in there, just like this. Just push it all the way in there until it just doesn't go anymore, and you're done, guys. You grab your little, this clip here, this has an arrow, it says up, so that helps out a lot. You hold your 2 clips in while it goes in. You push it in there until it clicks. There it goes, both sides are clicked, nice and secure. And then last but not least, this other little door, access door, you just follow the clips. And this one doesn't have an up or down arrow, but you can just kind of tell because the clips are on top. So put the bottom in first and then you just click it into place. And that's it, guys. You just saved yourself 80 buckaroonies at least, minimum. But every time you go get an oil change, you know, the dealership will tell you it's time, or they won't say anything at all. But, you know, for next time they do say something, we already have it ready. So we got 2 for 15. So that's going to be 2 times we saved like 80 bucks. So we saved like $160 by doing it ourselves. And it took, you know, I don't know how long this video is, but if I would have done it by myself, it would have taken me 2 or 3 minutes. You just take all the junk out of here, open the little doors, pull out the old air filter, put the new one in, close it up, put all the junk back in there, and that's it. We just close that up, and now we wait until the next time the dealership tries to take some money from us, man, and we can go ahead and decline that service and come home and do it ourselves. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that was helpful to some of y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.